Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel guys, and today we are going to prepare burger buns. So we'll start the recipe. So here I have taken a few ingredients which we need, and you can see I have taken some lettuce, some onion and tomatoes which are sliced, burger buns, burger patties, and some oregano and chili flakes mix. It is up to you if you want to take it, and some cheese slices. Also we need mayo. If you like mayonnaise, use it, otherwise don't. So here I am frying my patty and fry it on low to medium flame. Cut your buns in two halves and be careful while cutting. You have to cut them in two equal halves. So after cutting them, we have to slightly roast them, and we'll use butter for that. So I've taken a pan and adding some butter and roasting my buns. Roast them slightly. So you can see it is roasted now. I have taken the bun in a plate and I'm adding the patty onto it. Add tomatoes. Add the cheese slice on the top. We'll also add the onions onto it. Now sprinkle some pizza mix or oregano and chili flakes mix. Now we'll take the other half of the bun and we'll add the mayonnaise first and place onto it the lettuce leaves. So it is on you if you want to add mayonnaise. Now we'll cover it on the burger which we have made earlier, and see, it is this simple. It is done. It tastes really good. You can add tomato ketchup and enjoy it. It tastes really good. If you liked the recipe guys, give me a like. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.